Dear viewers, welcome back. Today, we are taking you on an unbelievable factory journey where massive steel chains used to stop giant ships are manufactured. They may look like ordinary chains, but each link is strong enough to withstand thousands of tons of waves, wind, and deep-sea pressure. And today, we will watch the entire manufacturing process right in front of us. First, you can see huge round steel rods, usually delivered in the form of large coils. Each coil weighs several tons, and from these coils, the powerful anchor chain links will be made. These steel rods are sent into a massive cutting machine. This system is designed to cut each piece to an absolutely precise length. Even a small difference in size can weaken the entire anchor system, so accuracy is everything here. After cutting, the pieces move into the heating furnace. The temperature here is extremely high, over 1000 degrees Celsius. At this point, the solid steel turns red hot and becomes soft enough to bend. If the steel is not heated properly at this stage, the chain will lose strength and may develop cracks later on. Now, as the hot steel piece enters the machine, you can see how quickly it bends and forms the shape of a chain link. These automated machines are controlled by advanced sensors, ensuring that the diameter, twist, and curve of every single link remain perfectly identical. One more fascinating part: when a new link is created, the machine instantly threads it through the previous link. What would take minutes for a human happens here in a fraction of a second. This level of automation is one of the biggest strengths of modern marine engineering. Now comes the most critical stage: welding. Each link has an open gap after bending, and closing that gap is the riskiest step, because the strength of the entire anchor chain depends heavily on this joint. For this, a giant electric welding press is used. High voltage electricity and intense heat melt the open ends and fuse them together. After welding, the link is reheated and pressed again so that no cracks or weak points remain anywhere. If you observe closely, you will notice that each link is pressed under tremendous force while still hot. This process is called flash butt welding. Here, the two ends of the metal merge together and become as strong as a single solid block. Once welding is complete, the links are reheated again and placed inside a large hydraulic press to give them a perfect round shape. This ensures both flawless appearance and uniform strength. Each link is tested under 50 to 60 tons of pressure to make sure there are no defects. Next, the long chain sections are assembled. An anchor chain is usually made of several sections, and each section contains a special shackle link in the middle. This shackle helps attach and separate different segments of the chain. Now you are watching the painting and coating process. These giant anchor chains are coated with special anti-corrosion materials so they don't rust in salty seawater or during heavy storms. This coating is not just for looks. It increases the lifespan of the chain by 20 to 30 years. Without this treatment, the chain would become weak within just a few years. Finally, it is time for the hardest test: the load test. Each section is placed into a massive testing machine and pulled with hundreds of tons of force. If a chain fails to withstand this force, it is immediately rejected. This is how the world's strongest anchor chains are made. They may look simple to our eyes, but behind them lie advanced technology, precise engineering, and incredible craftsmanship. Dear viewers, today we explored how tons of steel are transformed into the most powerful anchor chains in the marine industry. For more educational and amazing factory videos like this, stay connected with us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you in the next video.